Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to get transcripts from JNTU Hyderabad delivered online to your doorstep or get them delivered to World Education Services West Office for the purpose of credential evaluation. Before I start the procedure, I request you to watch this video in full screen mode because some of the video might get cropped if you're watching it in the partial window. So please set your screen to full screen mode. Now go to google.com and search for JNTUH Student Services. Select the first link, Login Online Student Services. So this is the login page. In the username field, you have to enter your hall ticket number and password. So if you're visiting this for the first time, you might be falling into one of these categories. If you have already registered, use the forgot password. Enter the JNTU roll number as the username and your respective email and mobile number and reset your password. If this is your first time coming to this portal, click on Register Me. You need to fill in these details. So before you start this procedure, I advise you to get your original degree or provisional certificate nearby so that you can fill in those details from that. So you enter your hall ticket number, say yes to the provisional certificate, then you'll be asked for the provisional certificate number, which is found on the provisional certificate. Enter these details. Once you're done, submit. Now, assuming that you know your login credentials, please enter them and log in. I have zoomed in the page. After you log in, this is what you're going to see at the top: certificates, track application, grievance, account. So we are concerned about this tab. Open the certificates. So if you're simply here to get some transcripts delivered to your home, just check the transcripts, click on submit, fill in your address and pay the fees. That's it. You're done. And for the WES applicants, check the WES application box and the medium certificate. I'm not sure if you're supposed to send the medium certificate. Please confirm with the WES or the appropriate authority. Now after selecting these, you need to click submit. Before doing that submit part, you need to have two documents handy. The first one is academic record request form and second one is scanned original degree. So I'll tell you how to procure in the format required by this portal. First, let's start with the WES academic record request form, shortly ARR. Go to Google, search for WES ARR and select the first link. This is the ARR form. Please fill in this form. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to fill in each and every section. First is the WES reference number. This number will be assigned to you after you register with WES and pay the fees. Okay, you'll get this number from WES. Then after that, just remember whatever you're filling in this document should be matching exactly with your original degree or your provisional certificate. So don't write details from your Aadhaar card or any other document. They will reject it. Just the original degree. So fill in your last name as it appears on your original degree or PC, provisional certificate, your first name, DOB, email. These are standard stuff. In the institution name, where people get a lot of doubts, fill in the institution name as it appears on your original degree. For example, if you are from Malla Reddy Engineering College, it might be saying MREC on your original degree. Just write MREC. If you want, you can expand that, but make sure you mention that MREC because that's what is it is on the degree, right? Next, country India, and the dates attended. The ending date should be the same whatever is mentioned on your degree. It says he has passed these exams on May 2013, so you'll be writing May 2013. And the from date, write the year. Obviously you'll be knowing the year, and the month would be approximately September or August. If you still want to be sure about it, you can check your transfer certificate issued by your college and write the exact month in that. Next, your degree name, whatever degree you were awarded, BTech, MTech, MBA, anything. The year of award, self-explanatory. Your major or your branch. And after that, write your roll number, your JNTU roll number while you were pursuing this Bachelor of Technology or any specific degree. Then make sure to sign and write the date. So this is how you fill the ARR form. The second part is for the official use. You need not fill it. After that, you can use this Adobe Scan app to click the photo of the ARR that you have filled and save it as a PDF. You can use the same app again to click the photo of your original degree and save it as a PDF. Make sure you generate two separate PDFs for the ARR form and your original degree, and make sure it is very clear. So we're back to ground zero. Now that we have the required documents and you have checked the appropriate boxes, click on submit. The server fetches the data automatically based on your hall ticket number. Okay, you can simply select all your transcripts would be selected. Then you need to enter number of sets. So for WES evaluation, usually you need to send a single set, like sets of this first one is for number of sets of the individual semester wise transcripts, then CMM and PC, one and one each. And this one is for medium certificate. Verify with your sources. If you need to send that, send it. Then the WES application definitely needs to be one, and you enter the WES reference number over here. You get that from the wes.org after submitting your application. So I'll write some numeric number, random numerical. After that, you need to select by post option because this should be sent directly to WES. So once you submit the application in the WES, they'll tell you where to send your transcripts. Depending on that, it could be either to Canada or United States. Personally, in my case, I have sent them to the US address. After you have made your selections, click on submit application. In this page, it would be showing everything that you have selected, like all the copies and number of sets of the transcripts, your PC, CMM, and everything else. And this is where you upload your documents. First one is the ARR, upload West form. That is the ARR. Second one is the original degree. Both of them should be in PDF format. If you can see, it is requesting for a PDF. Next, you simply choose the file. You use your respective file manager and upload that. I hope you can do that. Upload the two files, and the final amount at the moment is 3,484. Just select one of the payment gateways at the bottom, BillDesk or TT Wallet. Make the payment. Once you're done with the payment, on the top you can see the track application status. In that track application page, you can just enter your hall ticket number and track your application. I have previously made a video on this, and in that video I have explained in detail what courier service JNTU has used in my case and how I tracked it. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. So this is the updated procedure about how to submit your documents online and get the transcripts delivered to WES. If you have any doubts or questions or queries, feel free to comment in the text field down below. I hope this would be helpful to someone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.